Hello family, friends and customers. This is Carlos, Such a Glass Painting and Handyman Service. This is the final product of wood panel removal, new installation of sheetrock, tape, mud, prime, paint, flooring, baseboards. You can find all my videos on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Or you can call me direct, leave a message, and I will get back with you within the 24 hours. 401-696-1650. You can call for your home free estimate. And this is the final product. If you like my videos, you can hit like on my videos. You can subscribe on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram. I appreciate all the comments and likes. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.